In 2017, John Grant High School got its first beehive.
The team from Aveole came to help us set up the beehive.
We started out with 10,000 bees. By the end of the summer, we had 40,000 little visitors.
These bees are gentle, and unlike wasps and mosquitoes, they rarely sting.
Bees love flowers, and they need them to make their honey.
So we planted a garden to help them along.
Bees visit trees and flowers within 5 kilometers of their hive.
Bees are great at teamwork. Everything they do is to help the well-being of the colony.
We learned lots of cool things in our workshop. We even learned how to extract the honey.
We tasted some fresh honey and put the rest in jars.
And now our honey is ready to share. We hope you enjoy it as much as we do.
A big thank you to the beekeepers at Aveole for caring for our bees and teaching us about these amazing creatures.